Hello, welcome back to another video of Math of the Day. This is the 17th video. Today we will be learning about the basics of functions. Let's get into it. First, let's define what a function is. A function is defined as for every input, there is exactly one output. Let me explain. Here, we have these two tables. The top rows represent the inputs, and the bottom rows represent the outputs. To define these tables as functions, there should be exactly one output per every input. Let's test if these tables are functions. For our first table, the inputs are 4, 7, 2, 4, and 3. The corresponding outputs are 5, 6, 1, 5, and 6. As you can see, this table is a function because each input has its own output. Although 4 was mentioned twice as an input, its outputs were both 5, which makes it a function. Now, let's move on to our next table. The inputs are 2, 9, 6, 8, and 9. The corresponding outputs are 1, 7, 4, 2, and 3. This table is not a function because, as you can see, 9 was mentioned twice as an input, but it has two different outputs. The first output for 9 is 7, but the second output for 9 is 3. This breaks our rule for a function because for every input there was not exactly one output. There are two outputs in this case for one input. This is as far as we will get for today with functions. Next time we'll test if different equations are functions. Thank you for tuning into Math of the Day. I hope you learned something new. Goodbye.